make Saba Omlet.
First, let us introduce our ingredients. There are 3 eggs,
Saba fish and butter, rice and pepper, teriyaki sauce and Maggi sauce,
vegetables such as cucumber and carrot.
Now, let's see how to make it. Start with breaking the egg into the bowl. Then mix the egg with Maggi sauce and pepper. Next, we will fry the egg in the pan with butter.
After that, we fry the Saba fish with the rice and teriyaki sauce. Don't too much.
Put the rice on omelette, then roll it. Then chop it and decorate for serving.